Well, what the Pakistani Navy might want to do is left to the Pakistani Navy to decide. We had very clear political direction, and if they did, want to venture out into some kind of escalation, then we were ready to strike and strike very hard.
That just the fact that Indian Navy ships are out there in the Arabian Sea, the enemy is scared to venture out. I believe if those reports are there that those Pakistani ships, they didn't just stay at the harbour, they went into the civilian side of the harbour.
Well, what the Pakistani Navy might want to do is left to the Pakistani Navy to decide. But we knew that if the Pakistani Navy should venture out to a certain, to any kind of misadventure, then we were prepared, we were deployed. We had a very strong deterrent posture, as we call it, and we were ready to strike. Our understanding, of course, of how the operations were planned and conducted was we had very clear political direction. And from where I sit, what I understood was, of course, this was an operation that was limited very specifically to taking out terror centers and terrorist groups. And so the government did not want to target the enemy, did not want to target the enemy state or the enemy military. But should the enemy military try to venture out and escalate the scope of the conflict, then the Indian Navy, of course, was deployed in strength, and the Indian Navy was ready for what might follow. And our understanding at the end of the operations is that because the Indian Navy was deployed in strength and in readiness, in a way we locked up the Pakistani Navy where it was. And if they did, want to venture out into some kind of escalation, then we were ready to strike and strike very hard.